What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out another VEVOR product. This is their snow remover. Snow plow, snow blower, snow thrower, whatever you want to call it. It is snowing here in the Midwest, as you can tell in the background, and it is April. Yes, April. And it's still snowing. But what better time to check out their tool, unbox it, set it up, and review it. So let's get started. This should be fun. Four screws, and then you got a 3 screw. I'm assuming these 3 screws are for this piece. There's 4 screws for this handle here. So what we're gonna do is just screw this in place. Good enough. It's a deep hole. I need a regular screwdriver. There, that's in there. Do the other one over here. There, that's on there tight. And then I'm assuming these go over there because there's only 3 of those. But we're gonna go ahead into the next one. So it's putting this on. There, that lines up. Where did I put those 3 screws? Here we go. Put these 3 screws in. I'm just going down as far as I can, and I'll finish with the screwdriver. Kind of doing a speed run here too, so yeah, we'll screw this down. Is it snug? Good enough? That's good. And that one should already be good, but yep. This one, I believe, just goes like this and it pops into place, maybe? So it looks like one of these. It's in this bag, there's a bunch of them. And they look like they're all the same, but see how it has this square flange over here, so this can go inside. This other one go on the other side. Square flange goes into here. Oh, come on. There. This goes in. Screws on. There. There's that. That works. Okay, next we're gonna that. Let me get this cord out of here. And I believe it goes goes just like that. So they give you this Allen key screwdriver that would work, but I think I might have. Perfect. Wheels will go on here. Just like that. And then there's cotter pins in this little guy. Keep your wheels on. We'll throw on a washer. They want you to put one in the back. So you can put one here. Then here. I don't see really the difference since it's plastic. And then we'll throw this in. Hopefully you can see that. And we're gonna bend it. Just like that. Hubcap goes on. And then do it on the other side. Nice. That's all set, and then these are going to build out this. As you can see, these, you can see that they're square. Again, square flange. Nice. I'm goofy. Forgot to put this side up. Duh. And I'll show you what that's for and why that needs to be up. Flip this. There. That is going to be for this. One in. Right. I'm assuming screw this in. hole lined up. Drive the big one home. Ooh, I kind of got stuck. Nice. There is some gaskets that's supposed to go on the bottom. I didn't put them on there. I don't think it's necessary, in my opinion. And then you have this, which I'm not going to connect. I don't need this. So one thing I'm going to say is I'm not used to having a corded one. So we're going to see how well this does and what kind of contraption is this in there. So we're gonna see, I do have a gas powered one, but for somebody with a smaller property or don't have a big budget, you can buy one of these, you know, electric ones that plug into the wall for cheaper. And it does the same job. You just kind of have to manage your, you know, your cable. So I would tie this so it doesn't come off. It might probably come off. Or tie it right here. Just make a loop. Oh my goodness. So it doesn't come unplugged when you're moving. So I'm guessing you push this in. Seems like it has a lot of power. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it once. So I want to state this is really wet, that slushy, sleek snow. So it's like slushy. Any snow blower is going to have a problem getting that stuff up, but let's just see how it works. See, it's struggling. It's that slush snow. So you want to press this button in. So I'm not a fan of that at all, but it is working. Well, that's going to be it for today, guys. You saw me set it up and review it. I mean, it is pretty good for what it is. Being plugged in, that's kind of annoying and could be dangerous. So just got to look out for that. But for the affordability, it's probably really good priced.